dear students, proud parents, guardians, teachers, and everyone who made this event possible. A pleasant day to all of you. In line with this year's theme, K-12 graduates molded through a resilient education foundation, let me start by quoting famous poet and civil rights activist Maya Angelou. She said, "You may not control all the events that happen to you, but you can decide not to reduce by them." Graduates, as you finally step out of the familiar, your classrooms, friends, teachers, and people you grew up with, out into the world filled with opportunities and possibilities, but also wrought with mistakes, failures, and disappointments. I want you to remember today, as you stand here, proudly waving your achievements and accomplishments despite the regrets and hardship you faced in the past year. I want you to look at the person sitting next to you. That is the face of resilience. Being resilient does not mean being strong all the time. It doesn't mean being 100% present in the moment all of the time. Being resilient doesn't mean never crying or never breaking down when circumstances overwhelm you. It doesn't mean always waking up in the morning grateful and happy to go to school. Being resilient doesn't mean not being burdened by worries and fears to the point they paralyze you and you feel that you can't progress anymore. Resilience means that you understand how the world can sometimes break you, but that you can always stand up to the word. Resilience means being softened by hardships and trials, or allowing yourself to be molded into someone you were always meant to become. And resilience does not care how fast or how long you get back on your feet. What matters is you do. Beloved learners, my dream for all of you is this, that no matter where you find yourself years from now, whether you were able to achieve your dreams or you are still struggling to find your purpose, I hope that you remember all the things you overcame just to be here today. If you can do it today, you can do it over and over again. You are whole, you are brave, you are strong, and no one can stop you from being who you want to be but yourself. Mabuhay kayong lahat! Maligayang bati sa lahat ng mga nagsipagtapos ng senior high school taong panuruan 2022-2023.